Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Bestech Knives Toucan here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So, you guys asked me to get some more obtainable knives, and here you have it. Bestech Knives, a Chinese company, they are pretty well known to make good knives, and they're being used as a company to manufacture some pretty popular options right now. And this is the Toucan. It's a G10 liner lock. It's a inexpensive one, I have to say, in the like $50–60 range. It's employing, of course, some well textured and well contoured G10 scale, stainless steel liners. Of course, it's a liner lock. It's employing a D2 steel. It has a flat grind, but you see with this recurve over here, nice belly, sharpening choil. You have a fuller right there. You can just flick it open like that, and of course you can also use your flipper tab. Some nice jimping going on. The clip is, yeah, nothing special, but you've got anodized back spacer with lanyard hole. Pretty simple construction. I mean, the overall length of this one is gonna be, let's see, it's in inches. It's gonna be, I would say, 8.4 inches overall in length, with you see what it's like. Cutting edge is going to be around 3.5 inches with a 4.8 inch long handle. So it's yeah, a full-size knife, 3.5 inch long cutting edge. It's going to be interesting to sharpen this guy. The blade has a dual tone finish, like you can see the belt grind lines over here and stone wash flats, and also like inside of this kind of fuller cutout. Non-spinning pivot. I mean, it's an interesting one. It's there's a couple of hot spots right over here. The sound is nice and clacking, deep. It's a nice sound. When you close it, yeah, it's not that interesting. It's just like an unobtrusive click. But when you open it, it's pretty good. Also, feeling in the hand is good. There is a little bit of a hot spot here because this is creating something like a little bit here for me. And but everything else, it's pretty all right, except for this area here. So that needs a little bit of smoothing, I think, at least just for my hand, because here I'm just hitting up against that edge over here. The jimping is not as effective. It's kind of like... see, it's not too deep, but overall, it's a pretty decent budget knife. So, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.